What's up you guys, Cal here from Classic British Spares. Today we're going to be talking about our new big bore kit that we have to offer. If you have a Triumph 650 unit construction, you're simply at the point where it might need to be rebored, or you're just looking for more power, keep watching this video and we're going to go over this entire kit. This kit literally has everything that you need to turn your 650 into a 750, and the great thing about this is you can do it in your own workshop. Keep watching the video. Alright, so let's take a look and see what's inside this box. Starting to get to the goodies. We got some rings here. Got a whole bunch of popcorn here. We're going to put this aside. We're going to lift this lid up. All right, stuff out of the way. Here we go. Big bore kit. Boom. Alright, so let's go over what comes with the Triumph big bore kit. So right off the bat, we have a cast iron cylinder barrel, and it looks essentially the same as a stock 650 barrel. This barrel is casted and made and also machined in the UK. It does come bored and it does come honed, and usually the clearance is about 4,500. So the idea here is that you can turn your 650 into a 750 without any type of modifications necessary. We have some piston rings here. These are very high quality rings. And moving down here, we have some JCC pistons. These are typical 9-to-1 die cast pistons, typically a stock Hepalite or AE piston that you usually find in a stock Triumph. This would be comparable to that. Flipping them over, we have our wrist pins here, and then we also have the clips. So everything included as you see. And then we got a gasket set. So it's got all the gaskets from 63 to 72, so all the different changes. So it includes the base gasket all the way up to the rocker boxes. Then we also have a copper head gasket to work with this. That's everything that comes with the big bore kit. Let's talk about if this big bore kit is really for you. Alright, so you might be asking yourself, is the big bore kit for you? That is a very good question, and we do get this question quite often. If you're at a point where your Triumph is at 80 or 100 over, and you are looking to replace your entire barrel instead of having it machined, bored, honed, it would be more convenient just to buy a big bore kit and then put it on your bike. What's also nice about that is you can do it from your workshop. So you have basic tools and things of that sort and the knowledge, obviously. You can actually do this at home. Again, there's no modifications that are required. You don't have to do anything other than install it like you would a regular 650 barrel. If you're at that point of your rebuild or servicing your bike, I would definitely say that it is for you. As far as cost effectiveness, things and inflation becoming expensive, there was a point in time that it was either cheaper or equal to sending your barrel out and having it remachined. We're actually at this point now where the big bore kit is slightly more expensive than having your original barrel rebored. However, guys that are looking for more power, if you got cams in your bike and you want to turn into a 750, this is literally everything that you have. My honest opinion, nothing wrong with going from a 650 to 750. If you guys are at that point where you're thinking about, what should I do? Definitely keep the big bore kit into consideration because everything is plug and play. Let's start talking about the application. If you have a Triumph 650 unit construction from 63 to 72, this big bore kit will work just fine. If you have a pre-unit 650, this kit will work. However, you need a unit construction or 9-bolt cylinder head. If you have either one of those, then this big bore kit is definitely for you. Alright you guys, that's going to end today's video. If you guys are interested in buying a big bore kit for your Triumph, check out the links below of the video. If you guys have any questions, as always, you can give me a call or send me an email. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I hope you guys have a great week, and thanks for watching.